In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a wire transfer from Bank of America. We'll break it down into simple, manageable steps to ensure it's a smooth and straightforward process for you. Whether you're transferring funds domestically or internationally, knowing how to do this can be really handy, especially when you need to send money securely and quickly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Bank of America website. It's always best to ensure you're on the official site for security reasons, so double check the URL. It should read bankofamerica.com. Once you're there, look for the login section. You'll need to enter your online banking credentials to gain access. This typically includes your username and password. Ensure your login details are correct, and if you have trouble remembering them, follow the link to reset your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This area gives you a comprehensive overview of your accounts and any important notifications you need to be aware of. From here, look for the Transfers tab in the top navigation menu. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu should appear. You're going to select Send Money from this list. Now you'll need to choose between a domestic or international wire transfer depending on where you are sending the funds. If it's a domestic transfer, you only need the recipient's bank account number and routing number. For international transfers, additional information will be needed, such as the SWIFT BIC code of the recipient's bank and possibly an IBAN number, depending on the country. After selecting your type of transfer, you'll be prompted to fill out the recipient's details. Be sure to enter the correct name and account number of the person or company receiving the money. A small error could result in a failed transfer or sending money to the wrong account. Once completed, enter the amount you wish to transfer. On the next screen, you'll have a chance to review the transfer details. Take a moment to ensure that all the information you've entered is accurate. It's crucial at this stage to catch any errors before proceeding. If everything looks good, you'll have an opportunity to choose whether you'd like the transfer to happen immediately or schedule it for a future date. Finally, confirm the transaction. Depending on your security settings, you might need to verify your identity with a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Enter this code and your wire transfer will be processed. Once confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation number. Keep this handy in case you need to reference the transaction later. And there you have it, your wire transfer is on its way. By following these steps, you can ensure that your funds are transferred securely and efficiently, leaving you with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.